In this video, you'll learn how to activate your Binance card. By following these steps, you will successfully enable your card for transactions and access its features. To begin, log into your Binance account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the card dashboard. This section is typically found in the main menu or under your account settings. Look for your issued card details on this page. It is important to ensure that your identity verification has been completed prior to activation. Additionally, check the delivery status of your card to confirm it has arrived. Staying on the card management page is crucial as you proceed. Next, locate the option labeled Activate Card within the card dashboard. Click on this option to initiate the activation process. If prompted, enter the requested card details accurately. This may include information such as your card number or expiration date. Following this, you will need to verify ownership by entering a security code. This code is often sent to your registered email or phone number, adding an extra layer of security to the process. Once you have entered all required information, submit the activation request and wait for confirmation from Binance. After submitting your request, monitor the dashboard for any updates regarding your card status. It should indicate whether your card is active or if additional steps are needed. If your card shows as active, you may want to test it with a small transaction to ensure it is functioning properly. This can provide peace of mind that the activation was successful. Additionally, keep an eye out for any notifications confirming the successful activation of your card. Once you have confirmed that your card is active and operational, it is now ready for use. You can start utilizing your Binance card for transactions, making it easier to manage your cryptocurrency funds. Remember that if you encounter any issues during this process, reaching out to Binance customer support can provide assistance and guidance. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.